2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated side view mirrors, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, cruise control. This is a top-rated dealer. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.